How to use FanBasis app Ultimate Guide 2025. So hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can use FanBasis app. So first of all, you have to download the FanBasis app from the App Store or Google Play, and then sign up as a creator if you want to earn, or as a fan if you are browsing offers and content. And after that you have to set up your page, head to the creator dashboard, and you can create experience like one-on-one video calls, shoutouts, or courses, memberships that give you followers, exclusive content monthly, and then custom checkout pages with upsells, order bumps, and digital products. And then you can share and sell. Like once your product is live, you get a shareable payment link, post it on Instagram, YouTube, or anywhere else you to grow your audience and automate everything. Like Fanbases connects with the Zapier, so you can automatically send emails, update CRMs, or notify Slack when someone buys, and then get paid. Go to the payout section, link your bank or wallet, and request a withdrawal. No confusing holds, just fast, reliable payments. So the app also shows analytics like total earnings, active subscribers, and affiliate sales, so you can scale smarter. So you can use upsells and the affiliate program to boost revenue, and if you want or get stuck, their support team is super responsive. So that's it. Fanbasis makes monetizing your audience simple, fast, and mobile friendly. Try it out and start earning. So that's it for this video, guys. See you on the next one.